Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox game client is not responding. So let us get on it. So first, as you can see here on my screen, I am going to right click onto the Roblox studio and then I am going and select properties right here. So in the shortcut section in this window, let us go to the run and click on that, and on the down window, go ahead and select on minimize. And after this, go to your compatibility section here. And then as you can see here, this run this program in compatibility mode 4. So just check on the box. And on in here, let us select on the lowest version of the Windows that you have here. So I'm going to select on Windows 7. And on the bottom part, I am going to also check on the disable full screen optimizations and then run this program as administrator. So after doing that, just go ahead and write on the apply. And after clicking on apply, just click on to the run compatibility troubleshooter. Just click on that. So after few seconds, as you can see here, it is detecting the issues. And then after this, you'll see this on your screen and then go ahead and click on the try recommended settings. After that, go ahead and click on to the trust the program. As you can see here, the Roblox is already installing. After installing it, just wait a few seconds. And after that, just go ahead and tap onto the next and then click on to the yes, save this program. And that is how you can fix the error on your Roblox. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.